Welcome to another video. In this video, I would like to talk about task that was assigned to me in my company hackathon. I had to build a production ready, scalable, enterprise level RAG system that takes PDF as input and it gives you the accurate answers. There are so many RAG systems available online. Why should I watch this video? Good question. Number one, it's launched into the production using containerization on Google Cloud. Number two, there is accuracy in PDF information retrieval using a sophisticated database called Milvus Database. It is a vector database. Number three, there is similarity score available. You can also see which PDF, which page did the LLM retrieve the information from. Number four, there is deep research mode available, which means the LLM can go through a chain of thoughts. It can go step by step, answer the question in the end. You can generate mind map. If you don't want to read the response generated by the LLM, it will give you a good visual map of what the response is. Number five, I'm using an 82 million parameter text-to-speech engine called Kokoro, and it is also self-hosted in the Compute VM that is available on Google Cloud. Let me walk you through the demo of the application. Now here currently I am using Firebase authentication to sign in into a Google account. Here I'm using my own test account to sign into the application. Now as soon as you enter your application, you can see three tabs: home, memory and library. Memory is where you maintain your sessions. Library is where you can maintain your PDFs. You can download the PDF, you can watch the content embeddings. Okay, where are these embeddings coming from? Okay, so the embeddings are coming from Milvus DB that is hosted in the compute virtual machine inside the Google Cloud using containerization techniques. And then I'll move just into home and I'll select a PDF to ask the query from. I'll ask, okay, tell me about FT agency style. It is synthesizing the response. Bro, if I hate API calling to LLM. Chill dude, it uses Vertex AI service that you can enable in Google Cloud that provides you a whole ecosystem of Google Gemini models. If I want, I can edit the response as well. Oh, here you see, okay, based on the documents provided, here's the T on latest FDA moves. If you see, it also gives you the citation. As soon as you hover on it, you can see all the confidence page and the source file it has retrieved from the cloud real time. Now let me check how strict it is. I'll use a different PDF where the data doesn't exist. Now okay, I'll ask it about the FDA and technically it shouldn't give the answer, so let's see, because the information is not available. Oh, so it passed the test. Now let me try the library by uploading a big PDF. Okay, as you see, it's uploaded and all the embeddings are generated. Now I will go to home and I will ask it a question using deep research option. Okay, what's in the guidance document in 100 words? So it's planning now, it's researching, it's going through steps and it will give a response. Okay, so based on the provided text, the document is a draft guidance issued by Central Drug Standard Control Organization, and it has also given the citations. And since it's a long test, I want to try out mind map generation. Okay, as you can see, it has generated mind map. So briefing the material guidelines is what. Okay, and let me try asking a question based on what I read in the mind map so that I can get more information. Deep research mode. So what's mentioned in regarding the avoiding misleading language in the particular file. So if I ask it, it's generating the response. Okay, and also I can save the mind map into my system. So if you're facing any problems, do comment down below, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.